almost 2 years. You old thick ass, shut up. I can't believe I'm back in this motherfucker after 2 years. Damn. Almost 2 years. Yeah. That's crazy.
Which way am I going?
I don't know, booger. Where we going?
The library out now.
The library? What the fuck? At the fucking shop. I got shit at the fucking library. What the fuck is going on?
Wait a minute.
Sorry. I got it. I knew it was some shit. Knew it was some shit. Somebody help your ass. There's some shit to it.
Let me find out. Wait a minute.
Got to run your fucking eyes with you all day long. The fuck? Alright.
She didn't follow me.
You fucking laughing.
We gonna be all out the fucking way. Wait a minute.
Come on.
Wait a minute.
If I knew where the library was.
Wait a minute. Where am I?
Wait a minute.
Driving.
I had my mind made. You want to get in my video?
No.
Nobody
I don't have a good side, girl. I'm fat right now.
I hate my fucking profile.
See, if I had a mask on, I could.
Alright, where you at? I was supposed to be doing like a surprise video.
And I think about the way you left without speaking.
I ain't seen no black people in almost 2 goddamn years.
Wow.
This is crazy.
Woo!
Whoop, whoop.
For our children.
I'll be there by 5 o'clock. And I'm what you want.
So start thinking.
I remember the speed cameras. That is so crazy.
Can we just talk?
You know we got the same order. The egg McMuffin, right?
Alright, cause you want a drink? I don't want a drink.
Orange juice.
You want an orange juice?
Oh my god.
The egg muffin meal with a hash brown.
I didn't even know you was pulling up over here.
Cause it's not even open yet. It opens at 10 o'clock.
You did that on a sneak tip.
Any size focus, please.
Wow. First time at McDonald's in almost 2 years.
Caramel frappe.
What time?
Medium.
Okay.
And that's it.
Got a ketchup too. And they gave me a $1. They don't take these in Cambodia.
Actually,
$2
I
back.
got one. But could we have some more? Thank you there.
Wait a minute. What's going on? Did we got pull over? Is that all the food that we got? Where the rest of the food?
It's 2 and 2. Yes, I know.
What the fuck is this shit? Wait a minute. I've been going this long. The prices.
Because apparently it was $9 each.
Why? For an egg McMuffin meal?
An egg McMuffin meal, and then maybe it came with a small orange juice and you upped it to medium. I don't know, but then I have a frappe.
I'm confused like shit.
And you know what? That's funny because I don't even.
I done lost my appetite now.
It's trash.
They always got trash over here.
What the fuck?
I lost my appetite. I don't even want that damn egg McMuffin no more. Only got $2 back out of 20. What the fuck is going on? I ain't never seen no shit like that. I'm looking at this receipt like, what the fuck? McDonald's for the first time. Wow. So 2 meals at McDonald's. I had over 20. No, you ain't gotta give it back. You ain't gotta give it back. I just didn't expect only to get $2 back. God damn, this is only what I would pay in Cambodia for 1 meal, but this all I got back after the change.
This is what you would pay for 1 meal in Cambodia?
Yeah. $2. That's
yeah,
no.
you've been gone too long. Yeah, you've been gone too long.
No, but I ain't even hungry no more. Huh?
Well, guess what? I'm starving, so we're going to have to cut the camera off. You can't record me eating.
We gotta do a McDonald's mukbang. You know I'm supposed to be doing a mukbang of all the foods that I missed since I've been gone. I'm gonna get your elbow on it. It's like, no.
But the bread, like, it's so soft.
Yeah, I know, right? This is what I was trying to make.
Things ready, so when I go in there, I have both of them up. For them to scan.
What? Dying just now.
What?
I said we were just dying just now, cracking up. I wish I would have got that on tape.
What on tape?
Like us laughing, like, you know, just coming back and laughing and catching up on old times.
Girl,
That was funny. What I thought I was catching, but I didn't even catch the Greyhound because I don't think they was working because of the storm. Oh, I was coming back. Surprise! I'm back! Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I love this song. A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. I'm back in my hometown. Nobody knows. But once this video goes up, of course, everybody will know, and I guess they'll be included in the video. But most people, I know they don't want to be on camera, so I don't know how this video will go. And I wasn't in a good mood on my way back, but hanging with Hooker Booger, Bama Mama, and she done came to pick me up. It's good to see her, catch up. We've been laughing and geeking. We just laughed so long and so hard at stuff. I love geeking with her. So I'm in a good mood. And I guess I'm ready to see a couple people, so we'll see how that goes. I want my part to come on.
Look at them. They cut down more trees.
I'm gonna be able to breathe in a little bit. Oh, I did. Can I cut it back?
It's written on your face, and it reads.
Don't waste your time. Remember my love. It sure is. It's only a thin line. Gonna count my blessings and just follow the sun.
I'm so glad I'm in a good mood and we've been up here laughing and geeking. I thought I was gonna be underneath here crying and shit.
There's no hiding place.
I forgot it was there. I'm waiting for that part. It must already came. I wonder if my gel still at my house.
Comes around. What goes up must come down.
I like that part, but it's like, whoa.
It's been a great year for Angie Stone. She got honored back in June, by Black Music Honors. And I still say her group, The Sequence, need to be recognized as the first female rappers, okay? And it really hit it big. Yep.
I'm still tripping over this receipt. Gave $20 for 2 meals and only got back $2. $2? I'm used to only spending $2 for a meal. That broke my little heart. Welcome back to America. Yeah, I like stuff like that. Oh shit, poison! Get it! What's the little dance you used to do? You know? I know, of this.
Girl, I must warn you. Relationships
They see from the start. What?
it's so.
Why you laughing? What?
You ain't sit up there with your neck pillow.
That was like 3 hours ago. You just started laughing. That's a random start. This hot kiss, I love her. Say, girl, it's poison.
Now you know your slick blow.
This hot kiss, I love her. Say, girl, it's
Little trust me,
it's poison.
don't trust me.
I know, right?
If I were you,
I take precaution.
You ain't talking about no big ass.
you know, first thing I saw, and never in the truth.
I might get some soap. Since you got me in Walmart, I didn't know. First time in Walmart in almost 2 years. Whoop whoop. I'm coming back. Oh, these are so cute. For real. I'm coming back in Walmart and do me a Walmart shopping spree. I'm just hoping I don't run into nobody I know. Oh, this is soap. Just because I said that. What you getting? Alright, I'm going to the next aisle. Excuse me. Oh crap, I forgot Walmart got hair products. Uh-oh. I'm about to be in trouble. Let me see if they got some affordable bars. Oh, they got 4 bars for $5. You only get 2 of these in Cambodia for the same price. I guess because of the import fees. I'm in here shopping at Walmart. I didn't know I was going shopping today. I'm glad I drank some coffee on the plane because riding around, walking around Walmart all day, I didn't know this was on the agenda. My old worry ward behind. This is what I miss about Walmart. Take my blood pressure real quick. It's such a coincidence to see somebody that you saw at the airport and y'all both come to Walmart. That's crazy. On my way to finally go get my junk out of my aunt's place. They jamming.
This car, if this fucker would have got
You could have got over.
I hope somebody right there turning so they can't get over. No, now when I get over behind them,
There's somebody. I hate to get stuck over here. You know, you just have a car that be annoying and you just want to get to it. And when we're cruising together.
Now the girl like her is truly a dream come true.
They about to play.
It's only 12
They jamming. I don't even want to get out.
Let's get it.
Mercy, mercy me. All things ain't what they used to be.
First daggone day back. I just got all my stuff from my aunt's house and taking it to my friend's house. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm tired of being a hoarder. I can't wait to get rid of all of this stuff. She said, put that seatbelt on. You ain't in no tuk-tuk no more.
Isn't that pretty over there?
I love when they look like that.
That's pretty.
They're the pimulas. On my way to go surprise my godmother. Nobody knows I'm back except for my friend Trey and my aunt. Well, and of course, my little 2 cousins. So I should have texted her first. Well, I did, but I forgot to tell her that I was on my way. So I guess she'll see when I knock at the door.
That lady says you.
No, don't blame that on me.
Oh, you want fries?
That was like a whole 3 hours ago. I said I wanted some fries. We almost flipped over coming back to McDonald's a second time today.
Girl, we gonna get some fries.
Yeah, some French fries. I know. I thought you was doing that.
Oh, I gotta go all the way around.
And it's
You
time
didn't.
to claim your monumental return.
Then I had to
with
back
MGM
up.
National Holiday. Your bright spot today. Into the MGM National Holiday.
Back at McDonald's a second time. Oh my goodness.
And you can
One day. I'm just in some fries.
spend on your next visit.
No, you want a meal, so you want me to get a meal. I just want to. That chicken sandwich do look good though. Get some French fries.
$1,000 MGM resorts.
Oh, okay.
MGM National Holiday will be your bright spot today.
Magic 95.9.
So,
This year's about hope.
What? We just getting some French fries? No, I'm not getting a chicken sandwich. Nah, I'm good.
Tax debt.
A cheeseburger. Shit. No, I'm good. I'm good. Fries and the McDouble.
you want McDouble?
No onions, no pickles.
To set up an
What's
appointment
that?
to meet with Jeff Cerrone personally.
It's not on it. Just a McDouble. They know it's a dollar sandwich.
Oh, okay. Large, with a large fry and a large strawberry shake.
Beautiful.
A Big Mac meal with a large fry and a large strawberry shake. Could I have those meals in 2 separate bags, please?
Worse than when the kids went to college.
Nope, that's it.
Love our windows, but John was our contractor.
I think that's enough.
damn
We
it.
can have all that.
Oh yeah, I got.
So getting
Just throw it on my goddamn fries.
with my doctor